My name is Rodrigo Escobar Diaz Guerrero, and I am from Mexico.
My name is Yuvraj Gupta and I am from Nepal.
Hi, my name is Rustam Guliyev. I'm Azerbaijani and I came from Moscow, from Russia.
I'm Shivarjan Mandal from India.
I'm conducting my research on spectroscopy, microscope imaging with the goal of developing web-based 3D visualizer.
Currently, I am doing my PhD in Aveiro University and in collaboration with Jena University and IPHT.
In India, I have a background of image processing and I had a keen interest on how the acquisition part was done.
So I'm working on analyzing host-pathogen interaction using Raman spectroscopy data.
My research topic is on locating bacteria using label and label-free methods and monitoring their host response during osteomyelitis, which is bone infections.
My project is focused in two main objectives. One is create and development collaborative platform to support digital pathology analysis. And the second objective is the investigation and creation of new algorithms for digital pathology image analysis.
I'm doing some kind of software development for the group, for the needs. Yeah, so it's kind of mixed. So one part is related for data analysis. This is the host pathogen interaction investigation researching, as I said, and the other part is it's like while we're doing this data analysis, there are some algorithmic or software development tasks that are increasing. Like we need some package to do some typical tasks, or maybe want to improve some routines or to automate something if we do the same thing many times. This is also what I'm doing.
My project is focused in two main objectives. One is create and development collaborative platform to support digital pathology analysis. And the second objective is the investigation and creation of new algorithms for digital pathology image analysis.
And currently I am measuring on few infected bone tissues from mouse bone samples to identify or locate bacteria using Raman spectroscopy on the 785 nanometer based Raman microscope we have.
I joined this project because since the work was similar which I have been doing in my master, where I used to work on multimodal brain science.
For me, it is close to try to make something helpful for people, and medicine and investigating maybe pathogens and maybe fighting or at least somehow being helpful in treating pathogens. So sounds helpful for humanity, so that's kind of motivating for me, and I was agreed to join.
There are a lot of things that I love. For example, the history that they have with Carl Zeiss is very interesting for me. The optics, the university.
I like the most is the research what's going on over here, because as I told you earlier, I used to work in brain science, but here it's totally in the different field, microscope, and you know there are Zeiss workspace in the Jena, which is very famous. So
for me it was nice and important to have multicultural and also multidisciplinary environment, and I think I'm getting this here. So I have some neighbors in my office, very good in chemistry also, and we have some discussions sometimes. Some people are more advanced in biology and biological part, we can discuss that. So it's kind of continuously learning, not only about programming but about other fields as well.
Also, I love the landscape of Jena. It's very beautiful, and more in autumn when you see all the colors of the trees. It's awesome.
Yeah, every morning my trip to my office is just enjoying it from my office and back home, just going there and watching the hills and birds singing around. It was really nice and calming down.
So I thought this is the best place to write my thesis and work here.